Embelembe, embelembe, embelembe. Good morning, Uncle Ordinary President. Good morning, Brekete family. My name is Michelle Abutum. I am here representing my fellow students in order to thank you, Uncle Ordinary President, for being the voice of the voiceless and also for this wonderful platform, Brekete family, you have created, which has given many Nigerians like us the opportunity to learn and achieve our dreams. We equally thank you for subsidizing the cost of training greatly. It has indeed helped many whom ordinarily wouldn't have been able to afford it. I want to appreciate our instructors. They were very patient with us, making sure that every one of us understands every topic as it's being taught. We want to encourage all Brekete family parents to seize this great opportunity because it's indeed a rare one. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Uncle Ordinary President. Good morning, Brekete family. My name is Hamza Yusuf. We were opportune to learn website design and mobile app development. During the course of the training, we came to see that website design isn't a very difficult task to carry out. We all never knew that we could design websites in a couple of minutes. But thanks to the team who patiently gave each of us personal attention, we are happy for this. For the mobile app designing, we saw how we could easily create professional-looking mobile apps for ourselves and maybe clients in the future. We also saw how we could upload our apps on Play Store or App Store and start earning. With all the knowledge, some of us have already started building websites and mobile apps for people. We appreciate this opportunity and we say thank you, sir.
Good morning, Uncle Ordinary President. Good morning, Brekete family. My name is Mohamed FakizBrahim. I am here to express my excitement and share some of the things we did in summer training. During the course of the training, we learned how to build games. This allowed us to use our initiative and creativity to program our computer game. We built a maze runner game, and today we have the skills and knowledge to build other games. We also learned how to create wonderful 2D and 3D animation videos. We were introduced to new things such as plots, scripts, scenes, and voicing of our videos. To crown it all, we were also opportune to learn robotics. It was really an amazing experience. We were able to build a robotic vehicle that has sensors to detect obstruction. I am happy to be part of this training because I have learned new things which I can share with the world and with my friends.
Good morning, Uncle Ordinary President. Good morning, Brekete family. My name is Adelaide Toiba. On behalf of all the students who passed through this summer training, we are saying a very big thank you to Uncle Ordinary President for making this possible. We are happy and looking forward to having more of this. We were taught in ordinary methods by extraordinary instructors to do extraordinary things. We say may God bless our Uncle Ordinary President for the extraordinary favor he gave us. Thank you, sir. Hembelembe, hembelembe, hembelembe.